Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make barbecue pizza sauce the only way. Start by gathering ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire, smoked paprika, and your favorite hot sauce. Mix and taste as you go, aiming for a sweet, tangy, smoky balance that complements melted cheese. Simmer until glossy and thick, then cool before spreading on dough for even coverage and great bake results. Let's walk through the ingredient lineup and why each matters. Ketchup gives sweetness and texture, brown sugar boosts caramel notes, and apple cider vinegar brings bright acidity. Smoked paprika adds that campfire flavor, while Worcestershire supplies savory depth. A small amount of hot sauce adds warmth without stealing the spotlight. Keep tasting and tweaking until the sauce sings for your pizza toppings and oven temperature. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty content. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes hands-free while you cook, and it's light enough to perch on a counter or cookbook stand. It also handles splatters better than paper, which is perfect during sauce prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Heat control makes or breaks this sauce, so use low to medium heat and stir frequently. Dissolve the sugar and let the mixture come to a gentle simmer while watching for any sticking. Simmer until the sauce reduces and coats the back of a spoon, which gives reliable spreadability on pizza dough. Remove from heat, taste for balance, and let it cool so the flavors meld and the texture firms up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.